Good morning, students. Today's our topic is about gross domestic product and national income and its aggregate related terms. Gross and net means. Gross means the value of product including depreciation. Net means the value of product excluding depreciation. Other names of depreciation are consumption of fixed capital, capital consumption allowances, current replacement cost. Second term is factor cost. It refers to amount paid to factors of production for their contribution in the production process. This is also called factor payments. Market price. It refers to the price at which product is actually sold in the market. It included taxes and other costs. That is, market price includes indirect taxes. Fourth is indirect taxes means indirect taxes are the taxes which are levied by government on productions and sale of a commodity as sales tax, VAT, GST, custom duty, import duty, excise duty, etc. Subsidies. Subsidy is the cash grants given by government to the enterprises to encourage production of certain commodities, to promote export or to sell goods at prices lower than market price. Market price equal to factor cost plus indirect taxes minus subsidies. This means factor cost equal to market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. Net indirect taxes means indirect taxes minus subsidies. Gross domestic product, GDP. GDP is the market value of all final goods and services produced by the national residents or the non-residents within a domestic territory of a country during a period of 1 year. जीडीपी एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म है। जीडीपी का मतलब होता है किसी देश के निवासियों और गैर निवासियों द्वारा एक साल में उत्पादित सभी वस्तुओं के बाजार के मौद्रिक मूल्य के योग को ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट कहते हैं। ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट बेसिकली मार्केट प्राइस पे होता है। जीडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस इक्वल टू सी प्लस आई प्लस जी प्लस एक्स माइनस एम। दिस मीन्स सी means consumption expenditure, I means business investment, G means government spending, X means export and M means imports. Here government spending means government spends some amounts of money on social welfare as we can say old age pensions, scholarship, subsidies to farm, etc. Net domestic product. Net domestic product. We know the difference between gross and net. Gross includes depreciation, where net exclude depreciation. When we have to find net domestic product, we have to less depreciation from Gross. This means net domestic product at market price equal to gross domestic product minus depreciation. Next, NNP at market price. This means net national product at market price equal to net domestic product at market price plus net factor income from abroad. When we have to find national product from domestic product, we have to add net factor income from abroad. Net factor income from abroad means factor payment received by citizens of the country whole of the world, and factor payment paid to non-residents of the country, and the difference between these two is called net factor income from abroad. Next, net domestic product at factor cost. We know the difference between factor cost and market price. Since market price included indirect taxes and subsidies is added into market price. So we have to find net domestic product at factor cost. This means net domestic product at factor का equal to GDP at market price minus depreciation minus net indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes, which is called domestic income or domestic factor income. Domestic income or net domestic factor income. Next is gross national product. Gross national product GNP. GNP at market price equal to GDP at market price plus net factor income from abroad. We know that from domestic, when we have to find national, we have to add net factor income from abroad. This means gross national product is the market value of all final goods and services that are produced by normal residents of nation, whether they located within the national boundary or abroad during a year. Gross national product at factor cost equal to gross national product at market price less net indirect taxes. This is known as gross national income. Net national product NNP. This is a measure of how much a country can consume in a given period of time. It is noted that a part of the capital gets consumed during the year due to wear and tear. This is called depreciation. Depreciation is not part of anybody's income. So we have to deduct to find net income. NNP at market price equal to GNP at market price less depreciation. NNP at factor cost equal to NNP at market price less net indirect taxes. Net national product at factor cost is called national income of the nation. Domestic product. The concept of domestic product is based on the production units related within economic territory operated by residents and non-residents. Domestic product means domestic product मीन्स किसी कंट्री के इकोनॉमिक टेरिटरी के सीमा के अंदर रेसिडेंट और नॉन रेसिडेंट के द्वारा प्रोडक्शन यूनिट से जो भी मौद्रिक मूल्य की सभी वस्तुओं के योग को डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट कहते हैं। नेशनल प्रोडक्ट, when we have to find national product, we have to add net factor income from abroad to the domestic product. And net factor income from abroad means factor income received from abroad minus factor income paid to abroad. Gross minus depreciation equal to net market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies equal to factor cost. Domestic plus net factor income from abroad equal to national. Net domestic product NDP, net domestic product at market price equal to GDP at market price minus depreciation. We already know. When we have to find net, we have to deduct depreciation from gross. So net domestic product at market price equal to gross domestic product at market price less depreciation. Net domestic product at factor cost equal to gross domestic product at market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies minus depreciation. That is, GDP at market price can also be calculated equal to net domestic product at factor cost plus indirect taxes minus subsidies plus depreciation. That is, net domestic product at factor cost equal to net domestic product at market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. Net national product at factor cost equal to net domestic product at factor cost plus net factor income from abroad, which is national income. Net domestic product at factor cost equal to net national product at factor cost minus net factor income from abroad. Similarly, we can also calculate at market price. NNP at market price equal to NDP at market price plus net factor income from abroad, and GNP at market price equal to GDP at market price plus net factor income from abroad. This is the part of the solutions of the GDP.